Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change date and time on G-Vision HC-550 MG digital hunting camera. So as you guys see, I already have the device on the table. I also have the remote, so just click menu at the top left and go to the third tab. Make sure to keep the remote close to the device. Go to date and time, click OK, and then you can switch it to whichever option you would like. If you have it set it on and you want to update it, so I will just update to the date and time, and then go to the time, so just click OK. Let me just wait a second, click OK, and then you can go down to time, which is your dates. So just after you set up your date, just go and press OK, go back to the menu one time and click menu another time, and that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.